Exploring the phrase, on a lark, in English. Hello, dear language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, on a lark. If you've ever stumbled across this phrase and wondered about its meaning, you're in the right place. So, let's unravel the mystery together and add another exciting phrase to your English repertoire. The phrase, on a lark, refers to doing something spontaneously or for fun, without it being planned or taken too seriously. It conveys a sense of whimsy and light-heartedness. When someone does something, on a lark, they're often doing it for the sheer enjoyment of the moment. To understand why we use, on a lark, it's helpful to know where it comes from. The word, lark, in this context has nothing to do with the bird. Instead, it's believed to be 19th-century British slang, possibly originating from the habit of larks, the birds, to soar high into the sky, symbolizing freedom and spontaneity. Let's see, on a lark, in action. She bought the vintage car on a lark. It just seemed like a fun thing to do. They decided to go to the beach on a lark, even though they had work the next day. In these examples, the actions are taken impromptu for enjoyment, without prior planning. Understanding synonyms can expand your ability to use the phrase in different contexts. Here are a few. On a whim, spur of the moment, impulsively, just for kicks. Each of these alternatives carries a similar sense of suddenness and pleasure. Incorporating on a lark into your speech is simple. You might say, I joined the dance class on a lark, and now I love it. Have you ever traveled on a lark? It can be quite the adventure. Notice how the phrase adds a playful note to the conversation. There you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using the phrase, on a lark. We hope you enjoyed this linguistic journey and that you feel inspired to use this expression whenever you make a spontaneous decision that brings a bit of joy into your life. Keep learning, and until next time, happy speaking.